In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Figma for free in 2024. If you're working on a design project and you're looking to enhance your layout or visual appeal with some icons, this is the perfect guide for you. So let's jump right into it. First, let's navigate to Figma and open up your project where you'd like to add some icons. To begin the process, you'll want to access the Actions panel. There are two ways you can do this. You can simply press Ctrl-K on your keyboard for a quick shortcut, or alternatively, you can look towards the bottom of your Figma interface and click on the Actions panel icon. Both methods will get you right where you need to be. Once you've opened the Actions panel, you'll notice various tabs. For our purposes, direct your attention to the Plugins and Widgets section. This is where the magic happens when it comes to extending the functionality of Figma with additional tools and resources. In the search bar within this section, type in Icons 8. This is a fantastic resource for icons that you can use completely free of charge. When Icons 8 appears in your search results, go ahead and select it. Then choose to run it. Almost instantly, you'll notice a new window popping up. This window is your gateway to a diverse library of icons that you can readily drag and drop into your ongoing Figma design. Think of this as your own little treasure trove of design elements that can take your project to the next level. To incorporate an icon into your design, simply browse through the selection, find an icon that fits your project's theme or message, and drag it directly onto your workspace. It's really that simple. Plus, this method keeps your design workflow seamless and efficient, as you don't have to search through multiple websites or download bulky files separately. And there you have it. You've successfully added icons to your Figma project using Icons 8 for free. This approach not only saves you time, but also offers flexibility as you design, ensuring you have a variety of icon choices right at your fingertips. Remember to explore and experiment with different icon styles and combinations to make your designs truly stand out. Thanks for tuning into this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more insightful design tips and tricks. We've got a lot more in store for you, so stay creative and inspired. Until next time, happy designing.